Hey everyone, it's Nomad Flair here and welcome back to another Apple related video. Today we will be unboxing and carrying out the initial setup for the Apple Watch 7 Nike Edition. So I've never owned an Apple Watch before. The only smartwatch I've owned is the Samsung Classic Watch due to being a previous Android owner. So this is something new and refreshing for myself. I opted for the Nike Edition as this gives me access to additional watch faces which are not included in the non-Nike related models. I will be going over these additional faces later on in the video, so stay tuned. Also, I prefer the look of the Nike sports bands as it was breathable and therefore less likely to produce a smell due to excessive sweating. There are two boxes within the major box. One includes the Nike straps and the other includes the watch itself, followed by a print of several Apple Watch 7 images. I just wanted to mention that the Nike Edition box is different to the original Apple Watch 7 box, so don't freak out if you were to receive a totally different box to what you're seeing now. So I'll start by unboxing the Nike sports band. This comes with two bands in total, one is longer in length and the other is shorter. So this will be dependent on your wrist size as to which you opt for. At the top we have the instructions on how to install the bands onto the Apple Watch. This should slide in sideways and follow with a click to let you know that it has been attached correctly. Then it shows you how to change your Apple Watch face from using the watch itself. All you have to do is to tap and hold onto the watch display. However, additional customization like color changes does require your phone to carry this out. The Nike sports band is made from a durable high performance fluoroelastomer with compression molded holes for breathability. And then we have the shorter band. As you can see the side-by-side comparison, you can see there's a noticeable length difference in the two Nike bands. Moving on to the Apple Watch 7, I was very unsure as to which I should opt for, the 41 or the 45mm, because my wrists are very small. But I did want the larger screen size, so I decided to pick up the 45mm. Designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. Make sure to charge the watch before use, then attach the bands and power on the watch. The watch comes with a USB-C magnetic fast charging cable without the charging brick, so this will need to be purchased separately. I will include a few affiliate links in the description below for charging bricks that I own. At the back of the watch we have the different sensors which monitors your heart rate, your blood oxygen levels, etc. Also displaying the Apple and Nike branding in a circular motion. The front looks really clean and smooth. I have the aluminium case, which is the cheaper version, which cost me £399 or dollars. There is also a stainless steel version which is better quality but will run you around £600 and above. Furthermore, I also went for the GPS version only as my network provider isn't compatible with Apple smartwatches. Again, when compared to my wrist, I expected the 45mm face to be super large, and to be honest, it's nowhere near to what I expected. I am so happy that I didn't go for the 41mm version. You may find it difficult to put on the watch the first or second time round. After that it will become a lot easier. Just make sure that the rotating bezel is pointing towards your fingers as you may put it on the wrong way around. I absolutely love the look of the midnight aluminium case paired with the black Nike sports bands. I highly recommend these combo, guys. Now we'll dive into the initial setup for the Apple Watch 7. Start off by pressing and holding the power button for around 2 seconds and then releasing. We are now asked to bring our iPhone near the watch to enable successful pairing. Now we can carry on with the setup process using the iPhone 13 Pro. To prevent this video from dragging, I will speed up a few parts, which are not that necessary. Workout route tracking should be enabled if you jog outside and you want to look back at the route that you just did. This option allows you to change the text size and how bold you want the text to appear. I do recommend fiddling around to see which size you prefer. Apple Watch passcode, in case you didn't know how it works, requires your passcode only when your Apple Watch is off your wrist. It does not require your passcode every single time you want to use the Apple Watch on your wrist. I would set this up in case someone random was to pick up your watch and tries to use it. Your daily activity rings is a great way to keep you active and will help minimize inactivity. I will keep this on moderate for now, which requires me to burn around 650 calories a day. 30 minutes minimum of daily exercise is a great starting point, and then of course you can set up your stand-up goal as well. A new addition to the Apple Watch is the blood oxygen app to measure your blood oxygen levels. I will be monitoring this at least twice a day. The Night Club is a must for joggers and anyone into fitness, and you can also sign up for their fitness videos online. Emergency fall detection is a relatively new feature. If you are cycling and you were to drop off your bicycle, your watch will automatically call the ambulance if this feature is enabled. If you want your watch display to always be on, then this feature should be enabled. However, as I want to prolong the battery life with every charge, I won't be enabling this. I don't mind having to swivel my wrist every time to switch on the Apple display. Now we're able to select how we want to view our apps. To be honest, grid view just looks a whole lot better, and you're able to have full control and customization of apps in terms of where you want them to be on the screen. Rotating the side bezels feels very responsive and amazing. Lastly, to change the watch faces, just press and hold on the screen and then you can cycle through the available watch faces. As mentioned earlier, the Nike edition does come with additional faces. Anything that is Nike related is an addition. You can also change the background color as well as the text when using, of course, your phone. So guys, let me know down in the comment section below if you're going to be picking one up and why. I hope you guys did enjoy this video and found it to be useful. If you did, I would appreciate if you could drop a like, subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on so you don't miss my next upload. I post 1 to 2 videos a week, so until my next upload guys, take care.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.